Here is how to create a contact in Clio Manage step by step. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left-hand menu and click Contacts. This takes you to the area where people and companies are stored, so you can add a new entry in the right place from the start. When the Contacts page opens, choose the type of contact you want to create. Click New Person if you are adding an individual, or click New Company if the contact is a business. The option you choose here determines the form you will see next, so make sure it matches the kind of contact you want to add before moving on. After that, enter the contact information in the fields provided. Add the contact name first, then fill in any other available details such as the company, title, and date of birth where relevant. Continue by entering the email address and phone number. If you want to include a profile photo, you can add that as well. As you go, keep an eye on the format of each field so the information is placed where it belongs. Once the main details are in place, continue with the additional contact information. Add the website if you have one for this contact. Enter the mailing address in the address fields using the details you want associated with the contact record. You can also add tags at this stage. Tags can help keep contacts organized inside Clio Manage, especially if you want to group people or companies by category, relationship, or any other label used in your account. Before you save the record, review everything you entered. Check the spelling of the name, confirm that the company and title are in the correct fields, and look over the date of birth, email address, phone number, website, mailing address, and tags. This is also the moment to confirm that you selected the right contact type at the beginning, since a person and a company are created from different forms. When all of the information looks correct, finish by choosing one of the Save options. Click Save Contact if you only want to create the contact record. If you want to move directly into setting up a related matter for that contact, click Save and create new matter instead. Either option will create the contact, and the second option continues straight into matter creation after the contact is saved. Your new contact is now created in Clio Manage.